Hi everyone, this is Jared Michaelek with Salient Process, and today we're going to be talking about a new accelerator that we offer called Blueworks Insights. Blueworks Insights sits on top of the IBM Blueworks Live environment and allows users to view, manage, and understand the data and information that they've collected in the Blueworks Live environment. Now, if you're familiar with Blueworks Live, you know that it's a very powerful process modeling and documentation tool, and we've been working with users in this tool for many, many years. However, there's a lot of cases where they want to get even more value out of the Blueworks Live data that they've collected. So we've created a platform that does visualizations, charting, dashboards, reports, and allows you to get cross-sections of that data and to create custom reports and metrics to understand what's going on in the Blueworks Live environment. And this is both for usage statistics like logins and edits and views of the information, but it can also be around the process models themselves. For example, process completeness. A lot of the users, as they grow their footprint in Blueworks Live, want to understand how complete their process models are. For example, if we have a process model that has over 80 activities, then it seems like it's a big process, but if it has no data behind it, then it's not really complete. We can also manage users in the environment. So if we want to understand who's logging in, who's not logging in, and also seeing who's logging in the most and who may be a candidate for either promoting to editor or maybe demoting down to viewer or contributor. We also have the ability to pull in additional metrics and overlay the data that we've collected with our own metrics that we call process scorecards. So scorecards are ways for us to rank and rate the process blueprints that have been captured in Blueworks Live and report them and analyze them across other dimensions rather than just the out-of-the-box dimensions that we get in Blueworks Live. We can then compare those blueprints to one another so we can see which of these blueprints may be candidates for either process improvement or potentially automation in the future. And we can also look at these in very different ways depending on how we want to measure and rank those process blueprints. Another feature we've added is the ability to add compliance-specific terminology to the process blueprints that are captured in Blueworks Live. This terminology can include things like risks and controls or other compliance-specific metrics that we would want to see over the entire blueprint. And these can then be overlaid and compared to one another in order to fully understand where we're at risk and what type of blueprints are out there. And a final capability we'll talk about today, which we'll go into in more depth in a separate video, is the ability to document your robotic process flows inside of Blueworks Live, and then to use Blueworks Insights to fully understand what those dependencies look like and what those flows are actually doing. So we can drill down on those flows to see down to the screen and even the field or control level of those RPA bots. Thanks for joining today. Please visit our website if you're interested in Blueworks Insights, and also be on the lookout for future videos that we'll be publishing.